各位觀眾，今日搭 KLM 荷蘭皇家航空嚟到荷航全新嘅商務艙，面世咗只有2年，係一個好新嘅 product。以前一排有6個位，咁梗係窄啲啦，依家就變咗每排4個位啦。荷航同荷蘭皇室關係深厚，唔單止喺 logo 掛咗個皇冠，連荷蘭國王都係荷航嘅機師嚟㗎。你冇聽錯，荷蘭嘅皇室好貼地，啲成員係要返工㗎，而個國王就係一名民航機師。佢套 safety video 都好有荷蘭風情，一齊睇下。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board of this flight. We would like to explain the safety information through the fine art of Delft Blue. Make sure your carry-on luggage is stowed during takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used when set in airplane mode. If you have any questions, our cabin crew is here to help you. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a very pleasant flight.
喺跑道碌咗34秒就起飛，從未體驗過咁順滑嘅波音777，風向重量都配合得好，仲係好輕冇乜感覺嘅。今日搭呢班機好得意嘅，由荷蘭經新加坡飛印尼，第一程機飛10幾粒鐘啦，第二程機就係飛2粒鐘嘅啫。而你買飛嗰陣，你可以直接買第2段，咁就平好多啦，大概3000蚊港紙就可以坐到一間歐洲 full service 航空公司嘅商務艙。而呢種目的地同埋個出發地都唔係呢間航空公司所在國家嘅航程，就叫做 Fifth Freedom 啦。
Check some details on this flight, sir.
Yes, I do, of course.
Just your table here.
All right.
Enjoy your meals.
Thank you. 好 nice 啊！頭先個 cabin crew 見到我喺度攞住部機影嚟影去，就主動問我使唔使幫你影張相啊？當時佢未知我係 YouTuber 嚟嘅，呢個係好發自內心嘅服務態度。I'll have your ravioli.
Thanks. Okay, good choice. Would you like to drink?
This cocktail.
The bowls one. Yeah. It's
Red. Thank you.
okay.
呢個係檸檬草意式雲吞，入邊有好濃嘅芝士，出現配檸檬草醬，鹹酸豆腐薯，好開胃。同埋聞落去，高空3萬尺都做到 ravioli 嘅香味，好似去咗意大利嘅感覺。入邊係咁嘅。而荷蘭有個城市叫 Delft， 嗰度係專門生產青花瓷，其實全歐洲最好嘅。所以呢間荷蘭航空亦都有好多青花瓷嘅元素，例如個甜品係真係青花瓷啦，然後嗰啲 salt and pepper 個袋就係紙上面畫啲青花瓷嘅圖案，同埋記唔記得一開始個 safety video 啊，佢都係用啲動態嘅瓷磚嚟到砌成一個動作。至於啲刀刀叉叉都係由嗰隻荷蘭嘅花紋，好 recurring 嘅視覺元素喺機艙上面你都會經常見到嘅。
Anything else like coffee or tea for you?
All good for now. Thank you very much. 哇，好勁，好苦啊！呢杯 cocktail。咁我甜品試下先。係朱古力蛋糕，入邊有香橙嘅餡，配好邪惡嘅焦糖醬，好甜。話說 KLM 同法國航空喺04年合併，仲曾經成為全球最高收入嘅航空公司。椅背嘅橫線可能為咗紀念對方，好似一個情侶紋身咁。呢款紅白藍嘅線條，咪就係法國航空嘅主題色咯。
咁講下呢個位有咩裝備啦。左邊有個垂直儲物櫃，同好多航空公司嘅商務艙一樣，不過荷航設計得好細，所以係裝飾嚟嘅啫。作為補償，電視機下邊都有儲物空間，而隔離有萬能插頭、USB 同 Type C Charger， 呢個就好實用，因為好多航空公司為咗貪靚，會將佢收喺凳底或者櫃入邊，令乘客好難一邊叉電一邊用電腦。
至於安全帶啦 ，high class 啊，呢隻係3嘅安全帶，好似汽車嗰款一樣，證明係一間安全嘅公司。佢仲有一個特色，就係呢一度門係可以拉埋嘅，就好似一個 private capsule 一樣。但係好冧嘅就係，如果大啲踢佢嘅話咧，佢係會成日甩出嚟嘅。有啲咩事嘅話，你都可以隨時走得到。咁閂埋個窗之後，梗係瞓覺啦。試下佢平躺模式如何先。佢呢個位唔闊，但好長。你知荷蘭人個個都1.9米、2米咁高嘅，所以佢必須要有一個好長嘅位。
This is a lift. It's the theatre. This is railway station.
You have a new one every year, right?
Every year, when we have a celebration in October, we build a new house. If you download the App Store KLM Houses, you can read a little bit about the history of the house.
荷航每次搭 business class 都會送間屋仔俾你。嗱，呢一隻就係頭先我食飯嗰陣所講嘅 Delftweer 啦，台夫特嘅青花瓷。敲落嚟你聽下，瓷器嘅聲音啊！每一間屋仔都係根據一間喺荷蘭真實存在嘅房屋嚟到仿製嘅。如果你有睇過荷蘭嗰集，你都認得阿姆斯特丹運河附近就係全部呢一啲好幼嘅高嘅排屋啦。
張凳仲有隱藏技能就係 massage。
所謂按摩就係個椅背呢度會震下，但係佢個引擎仲震過張凳，結論係冇乜料到嘅。
震到你內急就參觀下廁所啦，有荷蘭最愛嘅鬱金香同更多藍白色屋仔，連廁所都有打格位，荷蘭人幾有創意。
記得以前喺機場成日聽到個花名，地勤會稱呼 KLM 做佢老航空。依家睇翻真係好唔應該，一間咁可愛嘅航空公司，又有同質嘅天藍色背景，同埋好 nice 嘅 crew，點捨得用粗口講佢花名啊？
都差唔多講落啦，我都未得閒介紹個機上娛樂系統添。一般嘅劇集、電影、飛行地圖呢啲太行貨啦。我喺機艙電視揀咗一段介紹荷蘭嘅旅遊影片，荷航自己拍嘅。大家睇完有興趣就搭一次 KLM 親自去荷蘭睇下啦。下一集再同大家睇下其他有趣嘅航空公司。拜拜。